Alright guys, I hope everybody's doing alright. I just thought I'd make a quick video while I'm in the shed doing a wee bit of some bobs of maintenance and doing my little build here. So just now I'm building this. It's the Tamiya M05RA chassis kit here. So the reason I got the Renault 5 is it was actually my first ever car. Obviously not the rally version, but it's the first car I ever had, so it's kind of, I've always had a soft spot for it. So obviously with all this lockdown nonsense and things, not a lot to do, so a build kit's kind of a good way to spend some time. So anyway, I've kind of got quite a bit of it built up just now. So I'm just trying to work this around the camera. I've just kind of got to sit on one of my, well, I've actually got my Traxxas Bigfoot just now, just the camera to balance it on top of a little bench. But I've built up the actual chassis kit. So I've got a little connector block on there just to put a 2S LiPo Dean's connector on, just temporary while I was testing everything. But it's actually a front wheel drive RC, so obviously you've got your motor in the front there, which I've just used the standard motor. I had a bearing kit from my old TT01, so it's all wheel bearings in here instead of the little bushes. Put a Arma 15 kilogram servo I had spare in there, and I'm using my Tactic receiver and controller because I had one of them sitting spare too. So I'm just using little bits that I've had lying about just to make this little build. So I brought my Kyosho 10 scale Hellcat out just to give you a rough idea of how small this actually is. So I'll move the camera to show you just now. Give us a wee second. Obviously I've got this body still to cut out, but you can see it here just now. So I mean, that's a normal 10 scale car here, and the little Renault 5 chassis is absolutely tiny. It's almost half the size, and I've put some drift tyres on my Kyosho Hellcat, and I've also, which I'll probably show in my next video of doing it, I've put a light kit in here too. It looks pretty cool. But it's on the drift tyres now because I want to do a wee drift video. But here's one of the wheels here of the original ones, and just see that's a normal 10 scale wheel, and you can see how small these these little ones are. So it's definitely scaled down, so it's probably, I don't know, it's more like a 12 or 14 scale really if you looked at it compared to another car, because the Renault 5 is such a small machine. But the build went really well. I've just took my time over the last week or so building it up, just a wee hour here, an hour there, not been in any hurry. So pretty much everything's built up. I've got the body to paint, which it comes with a sticker kit, if I can show you just now. So you've got all your stickers and things here for when you paint it, and it kind of comes in the rally spec shell, which I was thinking about doing. I'm not 100%, but my little Renault 5 I had was a sort of bright red colour, so I possibly might just spray it a single coloured red and put all the decals and things on that I want after that. Nothing too much, because if I want to make it more road looking, I'm not going to stick half the numbers and things on. But that's just going to be, I'll see how I go. I'll have a wee think about that, and if any of you have got any ideas as well, that'd be good. So obviously I've got to cut this out, and also this bit looks quite awkward to cut out. I'm not sure I'm going to do this, but you've got a front sort of bash plate here to cut out and paint, and I don't know if these are like sort of side guards for inside the chassis, so I'll have to look how to cut this out, but I've not really got to that stage yet. But I just thought I could make a quick video just for you to see what I've been up to. So obviously right now there's not a lot of places you can really go to do many videos in that, but I'm supposedly going back to work next week. I'm in discussions about how I'm going to do that, and if I'm out and about in the van, I will get a wee chance here and there to make the odd video. So I'll do that if I possibly can. But what I'll do just now is I'll just switch it on for you, let you see the steering and everything in action. Nothing really, well, I'm not going to drive it anywhere, but just to show you it all functioning and things like that. And yeah, just to see what you guys think of this little car. I'm really happy with it so far. Right, that's the battery plugged in just now. Obviously this is a wee bit temporary, but we'll switch it on. Here you go, wee beep. So just now I've got the Tamiya standard ESC in. I ordered a 3S capable one for eBay. I think it was only about £10–12 or something like that. And I've got other motors too, so this one can do brushless or brushed, but I've got the standard motor that came in the kit in just now. But see, the steering servo working absolutely amazing. It's a bit odd with the actuator rod at the back here. If you can see, it works a bit different with being front wheel drive, so the motor's kind of taking up a bit of space at the front, but it doesn't seem to cause any problems. And obviously front wheel drive again, you can see it there. So I had a little drive of this round the garden, that's why it's a little bit dusty, but it's looking like it's going to be good fun when I've got it built up to get all completed. We'll see if I change it over for the standard ESC to the new one I got, because when I was reading what they were saying in the instructions, you weren't to use a LiPo with that one. But I thought, well, if it can go brushless, surely it can use a LiPo, so I stuck a 2S in. So far with the wee shot I had around the garden and that, there's been no problems. But yeah, it's coming on well. So yeah, if you like that, please like and subscribe. I'm getting pretty close to 500 subscribers now, so when we do that, I think I might be doing a wee giveaway or something. But if you can help me out with subscribers, that'd be appreciated. And also, if you'd like to see more on this, like I said, I'm not really doing this, never really got this really for the channel as such, it's just kind of something to pass the time. But if you'd like to see like a video on me doing the paint job, I could do that for you guys, but I guess it'll probably be a bit awkward to do, so if you aren't interested in that, I'll probably just do that off camera. But let me know if you want to see it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching, and everybody stay safe, and look after your families just now. Catch you later. Bye.